Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. This morning, family, I just want to share with you how I do in the morning, my morning routine in Kenya family. Because as you know, guys, any country you go, it's different. But I'm gonna share my morning routine with you families. I'm in bed right now. I'm gonna jump out. I'm gonna show you the first thing I do and show you how I actually my morning routine family. So this morning routine is just my routine. As you know guys, I try to do everything organic and natural from nature. So it's so sad that I have to be up in an apartment right now, but that's how it is for now. Sooner or later I'll be out in nature. So I'm just gonna share with you guys. Maybe you can learn a few things there too if you're looking to go the nature way. Let's go.
Yeah, family. So just rise up, and first thing you do when you rise up, family, this is some coconut oil. So I will use this coconut oil as a mouthwash. So what I'll do, family, I'll put some of this coconut oil in my mouth. Now let me stay in my mouth for like 20 minutes, family. 15 to 20 minutes. It's like a mouthwash. Wow, family, so that's your natural mouthwash in the morning, family. So if you need to do something natural, coconut oil as a mouthwash in the morning, family. Alright, family. Alright, so the second thing I'll do, family, I'll have some key lime. Some key lime with some warm water, family. You can use warm water if you want, but I'm using just room temperature water at the moment. This is the second thing I'll do, family, some key lime. And you know guys, if you haven't checked out veganchoicefoods.com, if you want to stay healthy and keep healthy and go sick free on this earth, you need to check out veganchoicefoods.com. Start with a cleanse and detox, family, and actually, get rid of all this inflammation and mucus that's making you sick with some herbs and fruits for like 30 days, family. So it's like a fasting program. You know what I mean? The taste bud changes every 21 day, every 14 to 21 days. So that's the reason why most people cannot get rid of the sugar and food cravings and all of these things, because they have to eat the foods for the body to adapt to that lifestyle. So before you start want to go eating healthy, you have to go on a fast. You have to fast for 30 days on fruits, juice, sea moss. So you have the sea moss here from veganchoicefoods.com, family. So go up there and get it. If you've been watching us, and you need to jumpstart your health, because this world is changing so fast. And everything is hybridizing and being man-made. So, wifey, breastfeeding mom. So family, this is some simola porridge. As you know, wifey is breastfeeding, so you have to make porridge so the milk can flow. Because we want naturally. So this is some simola porridge, family. Made it yesterday, put it in a thermos. So now she wake up and I give her the simola. So breast milk can flow. So when you have this, family, when you drink and eat like this, this is actually natural milk in this, is coconut milk. And this is what she actually, pumped yesterday. So today she'll be going on the road, so I'll be giving Amish this milk and no formula, family. So if you're breastfeeding, family, then you need to message us and we can give you some tips on how to actually get a lot of milk so your child can actually be smart, because you know breast milk was made for the human and not cow milk. Cow milk is for animal. All milks come from animal is for animal family, and all milk come from human is for human. All milk come from plants is for human. Coconut milk, walnut milk, hemp seed milk, sesame seed milk, Brazil nuts milk family. So those are the milk human beings should be consuming. There's all other type of milk, almond milk, but I don't recommend almond. It has a lot of cyanide in it and it's harmful to the body family. So these are alkaline foods that was tested and it's good for human consumption. Once you start to take these food family, you see a lot of difference in your health. So family, you know, I have some tamarind. I'm gonna make some tamarind juice. So I want you to go over to veganchoicefoods.com family and actually do this. And actually, you know, if you're not feeling well, the natural way to do it is by start with the herbs. You have some 30-day herbs, 10 herbs, sea moss, and eat like this for 30 days. You can do it. You can do it, family. There's so much learning on veganchoicefoods.com. It will change your life, change the way you do things, and you know your life will be so better, family. So opt over there and actually start get some new foods and learn some new things from it. So it's my morning routine. So I'm gonna give the breastfeeding mom this, so she can get some milk and flow.
Thank you.
Yeah, family. So this is my thing right here. Normally I like this warm, but for this video, I'm just gonna drink it in a room temperature formula, family. So try not to drink from the top, because most tap water is salty. And what I really want to do is get a borehole to go deep down in under the earth to get real spring water. That's what I really want to do when I have my compound. I have some nice plum here, family. So what you do, family, you just drink this. Second thing in the morning, after you wash your mouth with some coconut oil, you drink this. To actually, you know what I mean, what this will do is like remove toxin and remove, you know, if you can't poop in the morning, this will actually help you. But for me right now, I feel like pooping because, as you know, once you're eating these foods, you know what I mean, you know, it's just basic health for you to know that you should poop 1 to 2 times a day. And if you're not pooping that time, you know, something is wrong with your family. So that's just another health tip, that if it's been happening to you, that's a sign that you need this cleansing, you need this detox, family. So, you know, I hope this helps for people who actually have these signs and think it's normal. No, it's not. You know what I mean? When you think about human body, family, if you eat something last night and it come out in the morning, it should take 24 hours to come out of your system. The body process what it want, and actually, you know, you pass out that what you don't want as waste. But if you eat all of these, you know, fast food and fatty food and processed food, you know what I mean, and stuff, and starch, then those food actually stick on your colon. They can't come out. It's just like, you know what I mean, just what it is. So it stick on your colon and stay there and build up. So you find out when you're ready to poop, you can't poop. It's like, you know, it's like the stool is so hard and it shouldn't be like that, family. So I just want to say this to let you know that if you're experiencing this thing, you're not pooping 1 to 2 times a day, every other day, every 2 days, every 3 days, it's a sign, family. All disease start within the gut. So, you know, this is just basic health. Everybody on earth should know this. And once you know this, you cannot get sick, family. So, and that's what we preach and teach. So let me just drink this while I'll go and poop and then exercise, and then, you know, I'll start my day. I'll be sitting with Amish today, so that's a full day. So refreshing, guys. So refreshing. So guys, you know, I want to like and share this video, family, and comment Comment your thoughts about this video and let us know if you're looking to change your life in a healthier way. You know, Vegan Choice Foods is there to help you. Basic health. Everybody should know this. This is not something that you need a rocket science to actually figure out. Once you understand the human body, this is how you should be living, family. Most black people should mostly eat plants and fruits and herbs. That's in the DNA of black people. So if you don't know that, now you know. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa via veganchoicefoods.com, doing this video to share health. Sharing is caring in this time and age, and that's just what I want to do, family. So this is Ankeru. I'm out. Hey family, so after pooping, my next step is to make a smoothie, family, and I have some mangoes, bananas, papaya, plum, dates, and some baobab fruit powder, family. If you have known about baobab fruit powder, veganchoicefoods.com. It's rich in so many minerals: vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, potassium, all of these essential minerals. You don't get zinc, you don't get in your cooked food. This fruit powder from West Africa, and it's also in Africa. It's a tree that never grow old in Africa, family. As you can see, it's a big tree, family. So, get your baobab fruit powder. If you're from Africa watching this and you see a baobab tree, go and pick it, family. The seed looks like this. Let me show you. The seeds looks like this, as you can see. Baobab seeds. So let's peel these fruits, put the blender, blend. Yeah, family. So as you can see, I have my fruits in the blender, ready to blend. And as you can see, this brown thing is actually baobab seed grind up, family. So go and research this thing, family. Get your baobab from veganchoicefoods.com. I'm gonna blend this and serve. Yeah, family, so as you can see, my smoothie, my baobab fruit smoothie actually is blend up, family. This is mine. And this is for the breastfeeding mom. She's going out, so she wants hers to be bottled up. Take with her. Yeah, family, wow. Wow, nice. Yeah, family, so we reached the end of the video, and I want you to like, share, and subscribe, family. So to this video, if you'd like to do a cleanse and detox 30 days, go to veganchoicefoods.com. We have a step-by-step guide on how to do it, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa via Vegan Choice Foods. I'm out.